Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video we are going to be creating some paper tube beads, you guys. Alright, so I have some beads here that I'm going to show you that I already created from paper. And I think these came out beautiful. These are already sealed and glazed. They do have some shine to it. There we go, look at that. These are super cute, and these are very sturdy. Like, I'm pushing on them and they're not folding in or collapsing at all. My favorite type of paper to use when making paper beads is cardstock. Look at that. I love these two. I think these are like probably one of my favorites that I made, just because I don't know if it's the pictures or the colors, I don't know, but I just love those. My favorite type of paper to use is cardstock, although these were the first ones that I made, and these were made with just regular printer paper. And these I like to call like my little ombre beads, because you know it like fades into another color. And these are very sturdy too and hard, but they're just not as hard as the cardstock. Like, these are cardstock and I'm squeezing it and it's like it's not going nowhere. So I do create my own images for printing, for printout on my tube beads. So these I've already printed out. I think these are going to be super cute. And these were my daughter's idea. She wanted me to do like cherry blossom. Look at that. I think these are going to turn out super cute. And so this is what I've been using. But you can also use like the little skewers. And you could also use toothpicks. Or if you wanted the other style bead that I had in the previous video with the bracelet, you could very well use a popsicle stick. In fact, I'm gonna show you what that would I'm curious to see how that would look like in this bead. All you want to do is just try to make sure that it's centered, but because I'm not going to really keep the shape of this bead, I'm not really too concerned with it. Now that would make a cute bead, because you can see more of the pattern compared to this one, but I do like this one as well. And then these are some smaller ones that I've made. Look at that. And then I also like put some images on it. Wait, let me zoom it in. Like Ursula. Like, you guys can get really creative at making some custom pieces. These, as you can probably tell, trying to get it, okay, these, as you can probably tell, I printed out like the little Burberry pattern, and that's how that came out. These were just beads that I made from a picture that my kids colored. And I also do this style of bead too, but my all-time favorite is probably the tube beads. I just love how they look. And so far I've only done like one coat of steel and one coat of the polyacrylic, and I'm pretty satisfied with that. I don't know, I might experiment and do more coats, but for right now I'm fine. So let's get up into this craft, because you guys, I've got hooked on making these. Like, I can't lie, I've got hooked. So pretty much, if you have this tool, there's like a little slot right here, a little slit. You're just going to slide the paper in. That locks it in. And then just start twisting. I mean, it's really just That simple. And then you just roll it while also trying to keep the paper centered. But if it does go off center just a little bit, that's really not an issue, because when you take it off, you can just push it down. Like, as you could, let me try to get it to focus a little bit. Like, as you can see, it is lifted up. It's not a flat top as I would like. So sometimes I take it off and put it down on a flat surface and just press down to get it flat. Go ahead and apply my little strips of glue. And then this is the little part I do not like. I do not like glue on my fingers. I know that's weird because I'm a crafter, but I don't like it. So I usually use a wipe to wipe off like the excess glue that's coming out. But that's pretty much it. And then there we have, oh my gosh, that's going to be so pretty once I glaze it. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cute. Okay, I'm liking that one. Let's see how this one comes out, y'all. Super excited for this one. This one better not let me down, because as soon as I seen it, I just love the colors. If you guys do want to use like the same templates that I have, you know what, I'm gonna start going on ahead and uploading them on the website. You can get the templates from over there. I'll leave the link to that in the description box. And I'll size them like small, medium, large, because I do a printout of 3 different sizes. I'll show you guys what the different sizes look like. Please, please don't be ugly. Now I will say, paper beads is a process. Also, if you'd be interested in just purchasing the strips rather than the download, let me know that too. I mean, maybe that could be something I do. I can mail y'all out the little paper strips. Okay, what do we think about that one? I don't know. I feel like I may need to make the colors pop a bit more, so I might edit that one just a little bit, just to make the colors more vibrant, or it might shine up and gloss up when I glaze it. I don't know. I'll have to see. But I'm gonna show you guys the 3 different sizes really quickly. So this one is the small. The small is 1/2 inch. The medium, which is this one, is 0.75 of an inch, and then that one is 1 inch. So small, medium, and large. And you can use pretty much any one of these to make necklaces, earrings, bracelets. You guys, I think these gonna be banging. Them gonna be nice. Alright, so I'm gonna finish wrapping all of these up, and then I'm gonna get them ready for glaze or sealing. Yeah, sealing. Alright, you guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the video here. That way it's not so long, because making paper beads is a process. But I just wanted to bring this idea to you guys, that you can look at that, you can get so creative with images to really customize a jewelry piece. Like I said, you can do necklaces, earrings, bracelets. You can even do a ring. And you know what, I'll be doing videos on probably each one of those in the future, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I've been doing. And they're so addicting, you guys. Here's some more that I made. And this was like with a fall, you know, type of background. Yes, you guys can get creative with this. especially if you're looking for like a jewelry piece that's like a certain color. You guys, get creative. Look at that. Don't know who that is, so I'm not gonna answer. And then these I actually use like what is it, like this glaze here, and it's got like a shimmer to it. Can you guys see it? It's got like a purple, yeah, like a purple shimmer. But you can use nail polish. Guys, it's all types of stuff. And then with these, how these got the little the black on them is I left the edges, like I put a edge around each template and I made it black. And so look at that, instead of cutting it off, I left it on there, and bow, look at that. So, and then on this one I made the edge gray, and I think it complements the colors like so good. So yeah, and then on these took the edge completely off, so that's why you can see nothing but the color. Same with these, took the edge completely off. Same thing with these, took the edge completely off. So y'all, it's all types of stuff. Or you can print, these are some other ones that I did. Or you can roll some solid color tube beads, which is what I did here. I did a purple bead and then a black bead, and then I just wrapped some printer paper, regular printer paper, over it to get this effect. And look at it. Like, guys, all types of combinations here. Anyways, this video is getting long. As I said, I did not want, so I'm going to stop here. My daughter just brought me in my coffee. Thank you so much, honey. I will see you guys soon. Stay blessed. Keep crafting. Bye. Bye.